Suriname's Minister of Natural Resources says the rural microgrid photovoltaic product undertaken by a Chinese company in Suriname is in line with the country's energy strategy. The minister, David Abiamov, also says the project has improved the lives of people in disadvantaged inland areas in the country.
This is a very positive project we have been executing now. There is a need for 24/7 electricity. The government is providing diesel fuel for the different villages in the interior for just a couple of hours electricity per day. We are looking for opportunities, for ways to provide 24/7 electricity for the communities in the interior of Suriname.
To meet the urgent needs of the Surinamese people, Power Construction Corporation of China signed a contract with Suriname's Ministry of Natural Resources in September 2019 for the first phase of a microgrid photovoltaic project in the villages of Goijaba and Pekinsli. In May 2020, the first rural microgrid photovoltaic project was put into operation. It has solved the electricity problem in nearby villages. The second phase of the project was launched in October 2021. It will meet the power demand of 50 inland villages in Suriname. According to the minister, last year the Energy Department of his ministry organized a training session in China. He says this is a good collaboration.
So that is a very good collaboration. Just last year, 20 of my team members, they had the opportunity to go to China for training, and I think that was a very good opportunity for them to see how things work in China and what the lessons are that they could learn and implement in Suriname. I think that is a very important milestone in the collaboration of the both countries.